This is absolutely mind-blowing. Here's 5 comparisons of what you would be paying in 2020 compared to what you're now paying in 2024. So let's start with home insurance. So back in 2020, you would have been paying £271 versus today, 403. That's an increase of 48%. Car insurance. In 2020, you would have paid 474 compared to 639 today. And you guessed it, that's another massive increase of 34%. Now your average weekly shop per person. This will vary, but let's just go with the average. So in 2020, it was £32.17 per week versus £54.30 in 2024. That's a staggering 68% increase on your basic foods. Fair enough, that's per week, not a month, but still outrageous. So finally, your average rent, okay? So back in 2020, you'd have been paying roughly 821 versus 1,223 in 2024. So again, a massive increase of 48%. So if you look at that in a nutshell, ultimately wages, let's look at wages. They've only grown by 14 and 18% for the average UK worker, making things even tighter. So you can imagine the economy of scale there is ridiculous. So for me, that's just crazy. What do you think? Let me know.